Hey everyone, today we're tackling a big one. How to save money on everyday expenses without sacrificing the things that make life fun. Because let's face it, life isn't just about budgeting or cutting back, it's also about enjoying the ride. So grab your favorite snack or drink, let's get started. Section 1, Fun on a Budget. First things first, saving money doesn't have to be giving up on all the things that you love. It's about being smarter with your choices. Think of it as a game where the goal is to maximize the fun while minimizing the unnecessary spending. When you're shifting your mindset from I can't afford this to how can I do this for less, that's where the magic starts to happen. Food and dining saving tips. Let's start with food because we all love to eat, right? I mean, we got to survive. So here are some ways to save. Master meal prepping. Planning your meals ahead of time can save you hundreds of dollars. Not only does it cut down on impulse takeout orders, but it also helps you use up your groceries before they go bad. I know I've had some food that goes bad. But pro tip, make it fun by trying new recipes and turning it into a weekend activity with a friends or family. The eat out smarter rule. Do you love dining out like I do? Yeah, well, here's a trick that I use sometimes. Stick to appetizers or share a dish. Also, skip the overpriced drinks and desserts. Have those at home instead. Use cashback apps. Apps like Ibotta can save you cashback on groceries and dining. It's like free money for buying what you already need. Section 3, Entertainment on a Budget. Now let's talk fun. Saving money doesn't mean your social life has to take a hit. There are free and low cost activities. Check out your local community events, free museum days, or outdoor activities like hiking. You'd be surprised how much fun you can have without spending a dime. Maybe just pick the right company. DIY fun nights. Host a game night, movie marathon, or a potluck dinner. Trust me, these can be more memorable than any expensive outing. Streaming hacks. Share subscriptions with friends or family to cut costs. Most services allow multiple users, so why not split the bill? I know I do it with Netflix. 4. Smart shopping and discounts. Next up is shopping. Here's how you spend less without feeling deprived. Shop strategically. Always look out for deals and coupons and discount codes. Websites like Honey and Retail Me Not makes this super easy. I know I only shop at clearance at Ross. Buy generic or secondhand. For everyday items, like generic version is usually just as good as the brand name. And for clothes or furniture, thrift stores and online marketplaces can be treasure troves. My first place was all from Goodwill. Bed, desk, everything. Follow the 24-hour rule. Before making an impulse purchase, wait 24 hours. You'll be surprised how often the urge passes. 5. Transportation tips. Transportation is another area where small changes can add up. Carpool or use public transit. Splitting costs or opting for buses and trains can save you big bucks over time. Personally, I don't have any next to me, so bike or walk. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also great for your health. Win-win. Maintain your car. Regular maintenance can prevent costly repairs down the line. Plus, keeping your tires inflated can improve gas mileage. And I know gas, it can get expensive. Saving money doesn't always have to mean giving up on fun or things you love. It's all about making smarter choices and finding joy in the little things. So, what's one tip you're excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on living your best life without breaking the bank. Now, see you next time.